This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Hilmar Castillo. If you have been waiting to move to SnoKno in a newer subdivision, one level, maintenance-free living, this is it. This house has new LVP floors, quartz countertop, and fresh coat of paint, open concept style, 3 good-sized bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, POA covers your lawn mowing, fenced backyard. Master has walk-in closet. The washer and dryer will convey with the property at no additional cost. The home has a Sentricon System installed and a home warranty that will transfer to the new owner. For more information, review the details below or contact Hilmar Castillo at 865-584-4000.